We're going to place a sectional matrix band on 1/6 MO. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to get this little sectional. Do you notice the little notch in the top? The little notch always goes occlusally. So we're going to take this and we're going to place it onto the tooth in there with the notch towards the occlusal, in between the two teeth like that. I'm then going to take my wedge. Again, the wedge looks like a little ski and it comes up and it's away from the tissue. The wedge always gets placed from the lingual. I'm going to hold the band down and I'm going to place the wedge. I want to make sure that my wedge comes out the buccal side. I'm now going to place the bitine ring. You'll notice that one of the rings has a little bit longer extensions than the other. It's really personal preference as to which one you use. I prefer the one with the longer extensions. We're going to take our dental dam forceps and we're going to place this ring. The ring needs to be placed between the wedge and the sectional. You can see that I have my ring placed down between my band and between the wedge on both sides, lingual and buccal. I'm then going to take my burnisher and I'm going to burnish my band against the adjacent tooth. To remove the sectional, I'm going to first remove my ring. I'm then going to remove my wedge. And I'm going to remove my sectional.